Yeah, we were sitting here having our lunch. All of a sudden, boom, we look up, we see the flash. There's a little hesitation, a little pause up on the top of the pole, another flash, wire snaps, comes down, hanging over the cars, people kind of scurrying. We're very, very fortunate. We didn't have an incident, somebody was hurt.
Okay, now what have you been told now?
Get out of the way and stay behind. They're going to deal with it because the line is still live. It didn't blow the transformers on either end.
Okay, so luckily everyone was able to escape, and
we were very fortunate. We were very, very fortunate. And the funny thing was, a lot of people didn't really realize what the situation was, and when they were asked to move, they didn't want to move. They were ready to argue and fight you rather than get out of there, which is, what can you say?